Welcome to the Budget Kitchen with Barb, and I am Barb. Okay, today we are making a creamy chicken mushroom gravy over potatoes. So we're doing this the fast and quick way. This is when you forgot to put supper in, you forgot to take something out for supper, or you have a event that evening and you forgot to prepare, like kids having games. So what we're doing here is we're just throwing a few items in the crock pots and leaving it cook for like 2 to 3 hours at the most, because everything we're throwing in there is pretty much done. We're just warming it up. But this tastes absolutely delicious. This is something you're going to be able to pour over potatoes, is what we're doing today. I'm going to be making mine chunky potatoes. I'm not even peeling them, but I am scrubbing my potatoes, leaving the peel on and soaking them. Okay, soak them before, soak them, scrub them, rinse them off, soak them again. Okay, you want those potatoes clean. I'm obsessive over that. Okay, so let's get started. We're gonna need, let me see, this is a 22-ounce diced chicken breast, roasted. Okay, and then a can of cream of mushroom soup and mushrooms. This could be fresh mushrooms, canned mushrooms. We're trying to do things pretty darn quick today. So we're going to get that cream of mushroom in there. Let's get a can of milk. This is going to create that creaminess. I did not want to add another ingredient to it, which would have been, let me see, I probably could put cream cheese in here, but I'm not going to. I need less ingredients as possible. Trying to do things on a budget here. Okay, let's get that stirred up some. And broke down. Even though cooking it will break it down anyway. And this is the big can cream of mushroom, 14.1 ounce. I'm just throwing it all in there. Just throw your stuff in there. This is going to turn out just great. All right, now let's get that bag of diced chicken in there. Perfect. And like I said earlier, this is not going to, like, what we're doing is we're pretty much just heating everything up, and then it's going to be done. You will have to either cook some rice, potatoes, something to pour this on top of. But here we go. I am going to put my crock pot on high for 2 to 3 hours, or if you're going to do low, just double that time, okay? But the goal this evening is to make sure it's hot, then it's ready. Okay, friends, and now it is done. So let's take a peek. Oh, that turned out really good. Creamy. Yeah, that turned out really creamy. I like that. Okay, so I made some potatoes to pour the chicken over. The potatoes I use like maybe 5-6 potatoes cut up, cubed up. And then I put in butter, a half a cup of mayonnaise, and just a little bit of chicken broth to thin it out, and a little bit of milk. Oh, and a little bit of sugar too. So the little bit, just like kind of measure with your heart, okay? And what you feel, taste right for your taste buds. But now, with this creamy chicken mushroom gravy, I'm going to pour that right over that. Oh, yeah. Yepers. That's looking good to me. Sorry, had to walk away and grab a spoon. Now, friends, this will be good over rice, over orzo, over toasted bread. Okay? This will taste good. It was quick and easy to make. It took me 2 hours. This was done. Okay, now I want to get in there. I left the potato skins on my potatoes because I wanted to hurry up and make this quickly to make it a fast dinner so we can hurry up and get out the door, meaning me as in me and you and, you know, when you have those busy nights. Okay, we got some chicken. I want a mushroom. There we go. Yeah. Okay, we're going in. Oh, this is going to surprise my husband how good this is. Just those very few ingredients and how quick it was. Okay, friends, if you like the recipe, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more budget-friendly recipes, please subscribe. But most of all, keep cooking, and I love you all.